So guys, welcome to my channel. So first come on to gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com, and you can see right hand side search button. Just type your model number, which is your required driver, B850 Eagle Wi-Fi 7 ICE. Then hit enter. Click to product. Click on B8 Eagle Wi-Fi ICE. Click to support. And then select your operating system. If you are Windows 10, so select Windows 10, but installation is processing. Then Bluetooth driver. See, this is Bluetooth driver. Download. Click here to download. Single click to open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. And it is done. And then close it.